Hi everyone, welcome back to Explorer UK on another explore. Today we have found an old abandoned building in this Woodlands. We're going to see if we can get inside and take a look. We'll have to go through a bit of undergrowth here to get to it. A bit like a jungle. And see if we can communicate with them. Look at this, the sun's a bit bright on this one. There's a little glad at the top here. See, I'll even get through here, I reckon. There's loads of brick walls. I don't know how old this building is. But look at this, guys. I wonder what this used to be used for. Right, let's go in and have a look. Right, here we go, guys. In we go. Cock, you feel that temperature drop? Let's have a look around here. Got an old cattle grid gate. Seems to be open and unlocked. There's not much in here apart from a load of rubble. Let's check all the piping out. Let's have a look through here, see what we can see. This old room. Some kind of piping up in the corner there. Must be like an old ventilation block. There's not much in here though. Where's this go through here? Oh look, this must have been an old toilet at some point. It looks like people have been in here, but so many rooms. Doesn't seem to be much in here. So there has been people in here because there's a new monster going down here. Some holes in the wall. Look at this little room. You can't even get in there. Can you see through there, guys? It's all been blocked up. It's quite chilly in here. What have we got in this room? Mind you there. Oh, what leaves are on the floor. I don't know. Just to make sure that we are the only ones in here. So if we do get anything, oh, no, let's go for all these little holes for the thing. I'm going to jump through there. Let's go see what's in here. Oh, look, it's all been blocked. It's all been blocked up. I reckon this might be the Rimmel, you know. There's not a lot much in here, but a load of rubble. It certainly doesn't get used anymore, that's for sure. Some old tin can. This must be like an old... I don't know what that is. Like old crust. It's quite wet, so it must be quite fresh. Let's go back through here. So many little entrances. Bottle of water. Yeah, all good. Got this some kind of venting, I think. So they must have done something in here. Some more cattle grids. That one's all empty. Let's see what's down here in this one. It's massive. Let's go in this one. This must be where the old toilets used to be. But as you can see, guys, everything is gone. There's nothing left in here. Got some proper weird vibes. What about you, Rob?
It'll be cold.
It is cold in here, isn't it? This must be the ladies. All the holes in the wall. Just some broken bottles. Some more holes in the floor. very rusty. Everything's rusty in here, isn't it? Look at the size of this room. What a waste though. Another hole in the wall over here. There's what? Let's just go for the toilet. Goes warmer in here. Oh yeah, you can do, yeah. Yeah, there's a different drop in temperature, that's for sure, isn't it? Hey? There's a bat over there. Yeah, I see it, yeah. Where? Oh, look at these rats. Rats? Bats? Let's see if we can zoom in on all these baby bats. Look at those. Absolute loads of them. And they're all moving. Oh, that is crazy, isn't it? I've never seen, look how they're all huddled together. Look how they're all huddled together. It must be like a little nest. They must all be babies, I reckon.
So look up and see things moving.
Don't panic. Yeah, don't worry about that, boy. So eerie in this place though, isn't it? Yeah. Didn't you get that vibe? Another entrance there. A lot of these places are boarded up though, and all bricked up. See what we've got in here. Well, it's definitely empty, that's for sure. What have we got here? Hold that, that's right up. Like an old comic book here. Let's see if we can find a date.
That's a proper old comic.
That is a proper old comic book here.
I'm going to go upside down.
It might help if we write it on the right way. What's that? September 1943.
1943.
There's an old magazine from 1943. It looks like an old comic book.
That's crazy.
What's that say? Dick Tracy.
Let's take that with us.
Philadelphia. It's definitely old. What else have we got here? But yeah, guys, look at this. From 19...
We'll take it and dry it out. And
Yeah, we'll take it and dry it up and I'll upload pictures after. Right, let's move on and have a look around. Let's make sure there ain't nothing else in here that we've missed. Just, you know, we've got to be careful because we don't want to disturb anything. Just another dead end here. Yeah, I wonder what this used to be. Old Buckingham, P. Martin, Darcy. So obviously there is a few people that come in here. Wonder how they get up into that. Size of that spider, guys. I don't know if you can see that. That is a huge ass spider. But is it else in this little room here? Yeah, you could get lost in here. I wonder why there's a spray painting like S on the wall.
Yeah,
And it must be like different areas. This one's 0. This one's at N. What we got in here? Carl, this is a big old room. I can't see any more bats or anything. What we got over here? Some plastic piping, some more ducting, a bottle. This is some kind of pipe there, guys. That's the room where we put it on there. We'll get that on the way out, El. We've got some little box here. I don't know what this is, guys. It's like a little vent. Nothing special. Well, it's definitely cleared out, that's for sure. There's not a lot in there. Damp on the old walls. So everyone's already been in here and had all the stuff, haven't they? Yeah, don't want an insurance claim. This one's all there's a hole in the floor here. I wonder what used to be here. They've obviously dug it up. There must be some kind of channel or something, mustn't it? Oh, look at that spider up there with all the eggs.
Oh, that's crazy.
Look at the size of that.
Not that.
It's full of them. It's like a spider's heaven in here. As far as we haven't seen any rats or nothing wandering around. There's a strongbow in there. So someone's been in here and had a good time. I don't know how you get up into that outbuilding.
The outbuilding?
The one that you climbed up and had a look. Go on here. This obviously looks like where people have the main here. I've got a little daylight straight outside, so that's open. A bit of old asbestos piping. Well, there's not too much to see in this one, guys. It's all pretty well cleared out. Let's have a look outside and see what we've got outside here. So it just goes back out into the woodlands.
I think that is the left.
We just go out into the woodlands here, totally in the middle of nowhere. You wouldn't even know it was here. Right, I think that's all there is to look around. There's definitely no one in here, so do get that creepy vibe in. Let's grab the magazine. It's like amazing here. Yeah, I have to dry that out. 1946 we said, didn't we? 43. 1943. Absolute crazy. It's like a maze. Right, it's not in this one. Right, let's find the room that seemed to have been blocked up. I think it's this first one that we went in. So many doors and ways around. Yeah, here we go, it's in the aerial. I think this is the only way in. Right? Give it a go, shall we? See if there's anything about. Let's make sure there's definitely no one in here, nothing in here, guys. That is very cold in this room. I'm getting a really dark vibe. It sounds like it's coming from over here. Let's have a look in this room here.
Bit up top.
Oh, this is a bit that goes upstairs. There's not a couple of few knocks and bangs, but like I say, this is an old property, so. Hear them footsteps? It definitely sounds like it's coming from in here.
Some difference in temperature for that.
I know, it goes so cold in here. Is it this room? What was that, guys? What was that noise? Definitely heard some kind of footsteps or something. There's definitely nothing in there. I've double checked. Has it got any kind of writing on it? It's a bit weird, it stuck to the wall, isn't it? I don't know if we can make that out, but I'll have to look at that one after. See if it's got something on there. That's for sure. It's definitely colder in that room. It's cold as you walk out here. Okay guys, well there's not much to look at in here as it is all just like I say, we did hear a couple of footsteps and that, but I don't think it's anything out of the ordinary. So yeah, I think we'll tie this one up here and move on to the next one. If you have liked this video, please like and subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell for future explorers.